another video, and I want to thank my subscribers, thank everybody here. If you're new, welcome. This is a channel where I show you how to make money from home, alright, among some other things. So if you want to get content, remember to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share with your friends. Alright, so today I have something interesting. I'm gonna show you how to make money by just using your creativity, your designs or ideas, and basically put them on t-shirts, mugs, or like pillowcases, stuff like that. Alright, and the best thing is you don't have to worry about shipping the item, you don't have to worry about filling the order. It's all done automatic and on autopilot. Alright, so what will you need to do this? So what we're going to use is a website called Printful. Alright, and what Printful is, they basically fulfill the orders for you. Alright, so they provide you the platform, so they link with like Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce. So they link with a majority of platforms that people sell on. Alright, so when you choose a platform, say for instance I have an eBay store and I have an Etsy store. So when I go to my eBay store, I basically would click add a product, and what Printful would do is basically walk me through the steps from the designing to pricing, making my profit, and put it straight on eBay. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute, but first I'm going to tell you what you would need. So what you would need is a Printful account, and I'm going to put a link in the description that you can sign up to Printful for free. Alright, and you will need a PayPal account if you don't already have one, because your payment will go to your PayPal. And also you can sign up a free eBay account. Alright, and if you want to take it one step further, you can sign up to a free Etsy account as well. Alright, so now that we know what we would need, and all those platforms are free. So PayPal is free, eBay is free, and Printful, it's free. They have paid versions, but the free versions will do for what we're going to do. Alright, so now that you have your account set up, I'm going to show you how easy it is to just create a product and then get it to my store. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so once you click add a product after you link to your eBay to your Printful, you would see these are the options that you have. So you have accessories, you have home and living, and I'm just going to briefly go through these. So let's say we go into men clothing here. So you have jackets, you have polo shirts, you have tank tops, hoodies, you have sweatpants, joggers, leggings, and even shorts. And these are all templates that you can put your design on. Alright, so let's go back here and let's go to women. So we have tank tops as well, we have crop tops, we have long sleeve shirts, we have hoodies, skirts, dresses, swimwear, bodysuits, and joggers. Alright, so yeah, I'm just running through. Let's check out hats. So yeah, you can print on hats. As you can see, there's a wide variety here, and you can also print on mugs. You can make stickers, pillowcases, wall art, beach towels. Alright, and you can even create something for yourself if you want and then just buy it from your own store. Or if you have a demand for what you created in your area, you could just tell your friends to get it from the store, or you just get it and sell it to them. Alright, so you can even add another markup on that as well. Alright, so let's go to the designing. So what I'm gonna make today, let's go to men, and we're gonna go to t-shirts, and I'm gonna choose this t-shirt right here for $12. Alright, So remember, you won't have to pay anything up front. They only charge you like their 20 cents or whatever the percentage is after the item is sold, all right? So this is where your design would go. So for those who can do graphic designing, this would be an awesome platform for you because you can just put your designs on there, okay? I'm gonna pull up some of my designs here as well. Let me go pictures. They should be here. Alright, so these are all designs that I've done for clients, alright, and myself. So if you don't know how to design, you could definitely go to fiverr.com and have someone turn your idea into a design. Or if you're a subscriber of mine, you could definitely reach out to me by email. I'll leave my contact below, and I would give you 5 designs for a deep discount. All right, so you can definitely check that out as well. All right, but if you don't know how to design, don't worry. You go to the design part here and you can use text and clip art. So I'm gonna do this one because since most people won't know how to design, so let's go to clip art and go to emotions, and let's say I want to use this face. All right, so this is the face on the t-shirt. So what you can do, you can extend it to where you want, you can move it. So this is your printable area. All right, and let's say I wanted to add a text to that as well, so I can go here and then let's say this looks so not you again. Alright, so it's a bit big, so what you do is go to the edge and you pull it in, and then you can move it where you want. Let's see, let me put that down here. Alright, and then let me pull that out. So it's basically like a funny t-shirt, not you again. Alright, so the text looks a bit plain here and boring, so we can change that. And let's try this one. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna work with that one for now. Alright, so basically this is my shirt. So if you wanted to put something on the back, you can click here and you would drop your design here. You can put something on the sleeve, you can put something here, and if you want to put your design like your logo, you could definitely put that here as well. Alright, so I'm gonna work with just the front for now. So let's go. So this one is proceed to mockups. So this is basically how your shirt would display on eBay. Alright, so if you want to use these mockups with persons in the shirt, or if you want to just use the plain shirt right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go with she, this female, smiling female here, or no, better yet, this suits the design better. Alright, and then so it has 2 colors here, ash and white. So I'm gonna go back because I just want to have 1 color for this one. Alright, so you go to products, and right here you can select all the colors that you want and the variations. Alright, and you can select the sizes as well. So I don't want to use 4XL because my eBay selling slots are almost out, so I'm just doing this one for tutorial purposes. Alright, so yeah, let's go to proceed to mockups, and oh, here we go. Alright, so we do have some better mockups on this side. So yeah, you can definitely use the ones with the faces, normally do better. Alright, so let me work with this one. Alright, cool, there we go. Alright, then we go proceed to description. Alright, so you want to have some keywords in your title, like t-shirt definitely should be there so when persons search. So I'm gonna call this one funny emoji, short sleeve unisex t-shirt. Alright, so we have funny emoji, and let's see what else we can add there. And also you can add the word premium. Alright, so the description here basically comes ready made. I like this, so I'm not going to change that. Alright, and for the measurements, you can definitely add the metric right here by clicking that. And now, yeah, you leave it to unisex for this one. And now I'm going to proceed to pricing. Alright, so this is the fun part right here. So basically, Printful charges $12 for this shirt, and the retail price will be $18 to $20 depending on the size. So right now it says the profit that I would make is $5 from this shirt. If I wanted to increase that by $5, I just hit here, and the shirt will now be sold for $23. Okay, so what I do, I like to increase it by 5 because I'm gonna offer free shipping. Alright, well, it's not free, but to them it's free, and it people buy more. Alright, so now you go to edit quantities, and for now I'm just gonna leave it at 1. Alright, so now I hit submit to store, and right here you can see where it's working and it's going to the store. And it takes a few seconds, probably about 30 seconds or less. There we go. So now I can go view on eBay, and there you have it. My shirt is in the store. See, not you again, and it's here. So once someone come here and they hit buy now, and they select their size and hit buy now, it will automatically go to Printful, and then Printful would start making the shirt, and they would get it in 2 to 7 days. Alright, so right here it has $5 shipping, so I want to change that. So I'm gonna go here, selling, and then I can go to active because the eBay is new. Alright, so I just put up a few designs here, but I already have quite a few views, so it's just a matter of time. Alright, so I have 8, I have 101, 42, 60. So yeah, so the last one I put up, that would be here, and then I would go here, edit listing, revise, that's end listing, sorry, so revise. So what we want to do here is go down to our shipping category. So let's just wait till that loads up. Here we go. So let's see, shipping, here we go. Alright, so what I want to do here is to change the shipping policy, because these are all shipping policies from Printful. Alright, so I want to use free shipping. So I'm going to go to edit shipping cost for this listing only. Alright, and then right here I would just take this option that says free shipping. Alright, so this is free shipping to US because most customers would come from US. So for worldwide it's $10, Canada it's $8, and so forth. Alright, so I could offset this one by 5 if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave that, and then I click save and close. Alright, so now that that's done, and you can also promote your items right here by boosting it, and eBay would basically just collect some money, like $2 from the fee, but I don't want to do that right now. So I would click update listing. Alright, and I'm done. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so let's go here, and you can see now free shipping. Alright, so I already put the shipping in the cost of the item. So but most people, once they see free shipping, they're more likely to buy. Alright, so that's it from taking your idea to a t-shirt without having to have the t-shirt or anything like that. So now that you have your t-shirt up, what you want to do, you can drive traffic to your store. So you can go to the Facebook buy and sell groups, and you can take a picture of your design right here and post it there with the link to the item that you'd copy right up here. Alright, and then persons would come straight to this page and they can buy your products. Alright, or the other way I use sometimes is paid advertisement via Facebook, but that takes a little bit of know-how. I'll do a video on that coming up next week, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link for the Printful, for PayPal, and for eBay and below. Alright, so you can definitely sign up for those and get started. So remember, the more designs you have out, let's say you make $10 from one shirt, so if you sell 10 shirts per day, that's $100 per day, and that is very doable. Let me show you some of the shirts that are available online. So here we have, so this is Etsy. Alright, so you see people are selling shirts with just words: plantain, Jamaica. So you can come up with your creative idea and put them out, and you can definitely make $100 a day. Alright, but just remember to be consistent, and if you set a goal to like upload 2 shirts per day, just remember to stick to that, and I guarantee you a few weeks down the line or months down the line, you will definitely start to get in sales and get better at this. Alright, so that's it for me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Alright.